5 scariest things caught on doorbell cameras. It's gonna make me not want to have a doorbell camera.
Now 5 scariest things caught on doorbell cameras. A cry for help. This video was posted by Reddit user Unknown Truth. He says that his friend's wife had a very odd experience one day as she walked outside to do the laundry. The incident was caught on their Ring doorbell camera.
Is he moaning? What's going on?
The woman hears some strange noise, and it's not coming from the Ring camera speaker.
Huh?
In fact, the eerie moaning seems to be coming right out of the bare wall beside her. Now, I boosted the audio on this clip and, well, just take a listen.
Oh! Yo, someone's trapped in your walls, mate, or on the roof or something. Bro,
Some strange voice in the wall seems to be crying out for help. The woman is so freaked out that she actually goes inside and calls the police.
I looked around, I didn't see anybody out on the road or any cars or anything. So I went back to my Ring video to make sure I wasn't just creatively hearing something.
Oh, that's weird.
I can hear somebody saying something, but I can't.
Well, I posted it on there.
The police search the premises, but there's no one there.
Oh, no. If I got a Ring doorbell, bro, and I heard that, in a bit, I'm gone. I'm moving house.
So just what is this strange disembodied voice that seems to be begging for help?
Oh, that's weird. That's
Let me know what you
weird.
think down in the comments.
Ain't no way, bro.
No treat. The thought of Halloween sparks images of happy children dressed in costumes rushing from door to door to collect as much candy as they can.
Right.
But this next video didn't take place on Halloween. It happened in the middle of a sweltering summer day in August in San Antonio, Texas.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Oh, he's
Trick
mentally
or
ill.
treat. Smell my feet.
Oh, he's mentally ill.
Calling from the summer moth. It's a sea life. Lucky truck.
Hey everyone, that in San Antonio joking. Well, hey Lewis.
What's good, you said? Yo, bro's gone up to the door, said trick or treat, smell my feet, looked at his feet, gone weird, and then walked away. Is he gone?
The bizarre masked man says, "Trick or treat, smell my feet." Then he seems to get distracted by his own feet. And then he just seems to wander off in a confused state.
No.
Now, one has to...
Yo, someone's got to put him in a home. Wait. What is he carrying, though? Wait, what is he carrying, though? Nah. Yo, someone's got to find this man and put him in home, bro. Someone's got to find this man.
I wonder if the man had been having some special treats.
Yeah, he's carrying like he's got something in his hand and he's hiding it with the blanket, bro.
His own. Surprise visit. On a warm sunny day in May, Gerald Haywood was visiting a friend's home in Lawton, Oklahoma. Now, in accordance with YouTube's family-friendly content guidelines, let me say in advance that no one was seriously hurt in this clip.
Okay.
But I'll explain that later.
Uh-oh. Oh my god!
Take me to the hospital.
What was
Take me to the
that?
hospital. That snake.
That was a snake! Oh hell no! Oh hell no, bro! That was a snake! Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Wait, can you wait? Can you guys even see that? Probably. Hold on. Look. No!
Kurt, take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital. That snake. That snake.
What was it in the house?
At your mailbox. Right there. No, I'm not.
Turns out that there's a 6-foot-long snake wrapped around the porch light. When Gerald opens the door, the snake strikes just above his right eye. Luckily, the snake is not venomous and the bite above his eye isn't deep. Gerald was rushed to the hospital but didn't require anything more than a couple of band-aids and some light antibiotics.
Mad.
And I have to admit, the first time I watched this video, I thought it was horrific. And the second time, I thought it was hilarious. So, I'm sorry, Gerald.
Wait, hold on.
I thought it was hilarious. So, I'm sorry, Gerald.
No, this guy's mean, bro.
Kurt, take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital. That snake.
Mad.
That snake. At your mailbox. Right there.
Oh.
No, I'm not.
Ghost caught on door.
Imagine that actually, like, bit his eyeball, bro. Oh.
Bell. YouTube user LexusJV claims that he caught a ghost on his Ring doorbell camera. At 4:23 in the morning, he got an alert that his camera had sensed motion. When he first reviewed the tape, he just noticed this, which just appears to be a spider web moving in the wind.
Right.
But then, when he looked closer, he noticed this.
Oh, no. Is that light in the background or like...
It looks almost as if some shapeless white face is pressed to the window for a closer look inside. The Ring camera, sensing no more motion, just shuts off.
What? It took... I've got goosebumps. The Ring camera turns off. Bro, this is why I can't. This is why I literally can't have a Ring doorbell, bro.
Some shapeless white face is pressed to the window for a closer look inside. The Ring camera, sensing no more motion, just shuts off. And it didn't turn back on again for the rest of the night. So is this a ghost in the window, or just a trick of the light? In another alleged ghost Ring video, YouTuber Vengeance Gaming posted a video saying that he thought his Ring doorbell had picked up a ghost.
Where? That could be a cat. That could be a... Oh no, that's got legs. Oh, no, that's like a horror movie. That's like a horror movie. That looks like the Ring girl. No, fuck that, bro. No. It's a methed out neighbor. It could be. It could be. That's creepy, though.
We see what looks like a woman dressed all in white who seems to walk out of the darkness from somewhere near the house.
Yo, this is what I'm saying, chat. This is what I'm saying. Like, I'm going to eventually get a Ring doorbell because we need one. But I am telling you right now, bro, if it goes off and nothing's there, I'm going to freak out watching watching it back. Oh my days, bro.
And then she just sort of walks off into the dark. Vengeance Gaming, who by the way has never posted another paranormal video on his channel, suggests that it could be, quote, the lady in white. But it could also simply just be a prank. You decide. One night, Late one night, an older woman named Kathleen hears something outside her Bristol, Connecticut home. Cautious about opening the door to a stranger, she looks outside and sees someone in a car parked just across the street from her house.
Okay.
She yells from a window.
Can I help you? The second time I yelled it, he took off without lights on and then went flying up the other street.
When Kathleen checks her Ring doorbell camera, her blood runs cold.
Bro, how are you gonna try opening the door first and then knock on? Oh, this ain't good. Yeah, this ain't good. This ain't good. Why does his face look weird? Why is he smiling? Why is he smiling like that? Oh, no. Nah, he's doing that so there's no fingerprints. Oh, he's weird, bro.
It looks like a scene right out of a Purge movie, and the potential intruder definitely seems to have meant Kathleen harm.
Watch how he wipes off the door handle, and he's got something heavy in his pocket.
Oh, wait, is that a mask? Because it's not moving, bro.
Wipes off the door handle.
That's a mask. There's a mask. Yeah, nah. Yeah, bro, imagine he got in. Yeah, that ain't good. And she was in the house as well. That's crazy. That's crazy.
And he's got something heavy in his pocket.
Kathleen contacted the police, but the mysterious man in the smiling mask has never been found.
Oh, hell no. No. Chat. If you seen this and it was your house, you're moving, right? I would have to move. I won't be able to live in that house knowing that this happened, bro. Knowing that this happened and he hasn't been caught. You know what I'm saying? There's no way. Some random person with a mask, a weapon, a wiping fingerprints? Nah, he wants to kill that, bro. Nothing good is coming out of this situation. Or yeah, everyone that comes up to the door, you just have to take your chances and shoot them. Bro. Mad.
It's not all bad. After all the weird and scary things that I've counted down in this list, it might seem like doorbell cameras only record frightening things and the absolute worst of human nature. So I wanted to include...
Oh, wait, yeah, you could set up a trap for him, bro. You could set up a trap. Leave your door open, because then he will come. You know what I'm saying? Leave your door open, right? But have 24/7 cameras, people on rotation, and then when he's there, you know, you do your thing.
One last bonus story that might at least slightly restore your faith in humanity.
Okay.
Katie Eagermacris was leaving in a rush one morning from her Washington, D.C. home and forgot to zip her purse. Her wallet fell out somewhere along her way to work. She certainly never expected to see it again. But when she got home, she found this on her doorbell camera.
Oh, what a nice man. What a nice man.
The man who had found her wallet had checked her ID to find her address, and then had even delivered her wallet right to her door. He tries to put it in her mailbox, but it won't fit, so he hides it safely under the mat.
What a good guy.
Katie says that all of her credit cards were there, and not even a single dollar was missing.
Wow.
Thanks for watching.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, you guys are thinking it, bro. I'm taking $10 for the trip there, bro. You gotta pay the petrol. I'll bring your wallet, but I'm taking my petrol money, you know what I'm saying? And I might stop off at like McDonald's on the way. So maybe $20, you know what I mean? But what a good guy.